Had a meeting at a farmer's market, talked over a bottle of wine. My Parliament, a cigarette, he sparked it, and I knew I was playing with fire. Man, I shouldn't come here alone. I've been looking for love in all the wrong places and telling myself I'm grown. But when I look in his eyes, I'm his girl and he knows it. Kiss like you love me now. You know I can't tune that out. Your frequency hits me less frequently. But I have to haunt your dreams. You can't stay mad at me. Just 'cause we're supposed to be don't mean we're gonna be. You can still break my heart even if we're only messing around. I'm different now. I'm just thinking out loud. Ooh, oh. And I'm trying to be cool, but my feelings keep holding me down. I'm different now.